show you after.
Okay. Are these like just normal? Like these are
That's probably just residue.
Oh, these are actual paint. No, I thought it's oil. It's just paint. Most of the time, there's a little bit of oil. But
Yeah, I think it's residue.
okay.
Residue from probably from cleaning, probably right,
Okay.
the pressure washer came through here and
I
all.
see.
So batteries, there's 2 batteries here.
You already
Your,
checked the batteries? They're good? Or
yeah.
No? Okay.
Your power disconnect. There's 2 of them. There's the hour meters there, air filter.
So now when the machine is parked and then we're leaving it, do we just turn that all off just so there's no power
Yeah.
whatsoever going
Yeah,
to
so
the
there's no
tab or
parasitic
anything?
It's always better.
Okay.
You might have parasitic draws, so
Yeah, exactly.
you
Okay.
don't need the headaches.
Okay.
This way you'll know if you lock it. The only issue now it's the way these are hooked up, they're not straight from the battery. So there's always a little power that goes to computers.
Okay, so the computers are not part of the switch.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah, it's 2 different circuits.
Exactly.
Separate circuits.
It's
Okay.
it's a different circuit,
Okay.
but
It's still that helps.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Computer's not gonna draw that much. It's gonna
No,
draw
no,
a
it's just
couple
to
of
keep
milliamps.
them like powered up for memory and
Yeah, yeah,
everything
yeah.
like that, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's always good. You lock it up. That's it. There's no.
So this side doesn't have that lock. Oh,
It's got that
Yeah.
lock on this side here.
Yeah, yeah.
So do you want to explain this lock?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do that again.
So this is but you wanna maybe we'll close these up first.
And then it'll actually
then-
we'll
and then
actually
we'll-
be able to see it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because right now, even if I try to, right, I won't be able to.
It won't engage.
To lock it because I can't put it in all the way.
And now say I don't have any room beside me on site somewhere. Does this have to be extended no matter what?
Doesn't have to be fully
So
extended.
it doesn't have to be fully
So
extended.
that's why you have
No.
this. So you
Okay.
can do it half
I,
extent.
ideally, you'd wanna if you don't have the exact room to have it extended like half beam or whatever, if you can have it at least fairly close to there,
Okay.
and then you just go through your load chart.
Okay.
And then once you're operating in that area,
Okay.
then you just got to keep in mind that this beam is fairly in mid position. It won't be the same as if you operate out front with
Okay.
the full span,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So
You gotta just keep in mind your load rating once you do that.
exactly.
But what you're saying is like you want this side and that side the same amount extended. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
You can do this.
So it
one
could be
half
this
and
one
that
or it could be
half.
the opposite side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
No,
Depends on your-
This one can be fully closed.
But you just gotta remember this side of the truck has a
Yeah.
different load capacity. now,
Exactly.
Because it might tip over.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right.
No.
You just gotta
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah.
And
There's a chart. And
Yeah.
sometimes, because it also depends on the room you have, right?
Yeah.
So let's say, I don't know, on this side here, you gotta have there's a road passing or whatnot,
Yeah.
and you gotta keep the beams in. But you're gonna operate on the other side, so the other side is gonna be fully
It's
spanned.
fine.
This side here is gonna be fully closed, but it don't really matter because you're not gonna
Your
come
load
through
is
here.
on that side. Yeah.
Exactly. Right.
Exactly. You'll be good.
Okay. So only thing. And yeah, so after that we'll take her back down and then we'll show the lock there and all the take all the weight and everything. Your fuel tank is here. Yeah, and I guess that sums it up for this.
The transmission and stuff, it has like a little sight glass to check, right? There's a sight glass, I think, on these transmissions. on the
Not
side.
all of them. Some of them they do. See, this one don't. Your level is gonna
Oh, yeah,
be.
it does. Yeah, yeah, it's here.
There is.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
there's a
yeah.
sight glass on that side?
Okay, right on.
This is Dana or I think it's because Dana's usually has. the sight
Probably.
glass.
Usually that's what's on these.
That's normal.
That's probably. No, I probably just didn't clean that up properly. Just a little clean up there.
Is there any grease fittings down here that we need to worry about?
Actually, now that you mention it, there's on the axle here, so as you can see on the side.
Okay.
The carrots, the kingpins up and down.
Where's the greaser for this right now?
It's under here.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's
So
it.
on all the wheels
Yeah.
have that?
Yeah.
So
the
all
wheels-
four.
Yeah. These
All
jacks,
four.
I think, have it too, right?
Yes. If there is, it's gonna be possibly in the middle or on the
It's
other
right here.
side.
It's right
Okay, there you go. So there's one up and down.
Yeah.
Those jacks
See,
there.
this one's a Caterpillar too.
Okay, yeah.
It is a
It's probably
Caterpillar.
like a C9 or something around that.
Probably, yeah. But it's a Cat.
Usually,
Okay.
yeah, the older models usually.
It's
they
the
had,
same as the other one that we have. This is the
Okay.
same engine as the other one.
Yeah.
Okay.
The older model, that's what they had before. Now it's pretty much
Alright.
so all Cummins or most of them are Cummins.
Okay.
Yeah. So for the greasing, on every wheels, there's the kingpins up and down.
Yeah.
The tie rod, and there's gonna be on the other side. I don't know if you want to go take
Yeah,
it on the other
we'll go on.
side.
Yeah.
There's the cylinders right here. The steering cylinder. So there's on each side. There's gonna be grease nipples for the pins there.
Okay, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, for the tie rods, yeah.
Exactly.
Do these guys have? Yeah, these guys have it too.
So these here.
Basically,
each
every
side.
joint has one.
Yeah.
It's just like an old school truck with the, these guys, the U-joint have it too? No, the U-joint.
So that's that. The greasing point over here.
Yeah, they're all.
What's this lever pumping gauge right in front of me here?
This here. This is your disengage pump.
To do
so-
what?
Basically, it'll disengage the pumps.
Okay.
The hydraulic pumps. So
You just wanna run
Is
the
that just
engine
for like mechanical wise, like for a mechanic to do service on it, or is
No.
it for operator
it'll
also?
be for operator.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, especially up north, everything's gonna be nice and cold.
Yeah.
If it's hard to start, right, everything's
Disengage
cold.
this. Makes
Disengage this, and it'll give a little better chance for the engine to start.
Okay, so that's a very important,
Yeah.
crucial
Yeah. So
thing.
disengage this to start the engine, let it warm up.
No.
No.
You once the engine starts, maybe a couple seconds,
Engage it.
turn it off, engage it, turn it back on.
Okay.
I
You
think,
don't want to engage this if the engine is running. though.
Correct.
You
I
don't
think
want
there's a sticker
okay.
over here. Yeah.
That is very
There's a
important.
sticker right here that says has to be shut off. Disengage to disengage and engage the
Okay.
pump. The engine has to be shut off. This like I said, this is more
You
for
never touch it if the engine is running.
Now this will save wear and tear on
it'll,
this
eh,
whole
Every-
system.
You
Well,
cannot.
it's more to give a chance to help out the engine start up.
Okay. Okay.
That's all. That's all for. That's
Okay.
All, that's what it's for.
Okay.
Right.
If it's warmer and you think it's good to start it up with it engaged, then you're good to
Yeah,
start
yeah.
it engaged.
I mean,
Okay.
I mean, you,
If it's, you're
No.
having a hard time, you want a little oomph for your engine to get going, then you disengage
Okay.
that. But if you disengage it, then you need to shut it off before engaging it back on. Right
Yeah.
away.
Now is this on every crane that we've purchased?
every link belt.
Okay. Sounds good. Good to know.
If you got a Terex, they have it too, but it's a different.
Don't believe it's a
No,
tear.
they're all-
I think they're all links.
linked
Okay,
up.
so they
Yeah.
all have this lever there.
In the same area?
Yes.
Okay. Sounds good.
So yeah.
Anything else you see underneath there that you would, Wilson, that you see that maybe concerns you or
No, not really.
and is this some kind of a lever here also?
What
is
no,
that?
No, this will
No,
just
that
be,
is,
that'll just be a valve.
It's a
Okay.
For,
Okay.
for an option, or I don't know
Okay.
what exactly. but,
All right. And for the front diff, nothing too special about front diff, nothing on there.
No, you shouldn't be
'Kay.
ever needing to touch that
Okay.
in a very long time, hopefully.
The reason why I'm asking that because I seen that handle, so I'm like, is there something else that we
No.
need to?
Oh,
So
no,
is there
no.
a way for these machines to control the shocks separately and move the platform on top
No, it'll do. Yeah, it'll do it on its own.
on its own?
Yeah.
Because I saw one of your techs when he came over, he was using the 90, I think he was making the wheels like suck themselves
Yeah,
up and down.
These they have the remote. The 60 ton does not have the remote.
Okay, yeah. He used the same key for the counterweights.
Yeah.
He put it into one of the side sockets, and
Yeah.
he made the wheels just go up and down.
Yeah.
Well,
No.
you cannot do that separate. So the
No.
whole axle goes up,
It's-
whole axle comes down.
Correct.
Okay.
And
But it
it'll-
does the
it'll,
self-leveling automatically.
This one will. The other one it'll oscillate on its own. Right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So
Yeah.
it will put you on a normal platform.
Yeah.
What's the maximum angle that can be on before you lose the amount of having like a straight?
I mean those cylinders they have pretty
Is it?
big stroke, but
like up to 20, 30?
I couldn't say.
Okay.
I couldn't say.
Because you can go only so much before your platform needs to go because you have no more
Yeah.
room, right? So
Yeah.
just
I think at that point if you go too much you'll be on the tipping point.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's not get to that.
Yeah. No.
We don't know.
Yeah. So.
Because sometimes you might have like a section on the road. Yeah, you don't want to go into like an incline like crazy, but sometimes you have dips.
Yeah.
If you have like a crazy dip and it does that,
Yeah.
you want to know how far you can go with that.
Yeah.
Like how deep can that decline can be before you have a problem with something.
Yeah.
So, alright. Okay. Let's get out of here.
This little unit there, that's the AC.
Yeah,
Highly
the other
valuable,
one had like a little diesel tank thing in here. What?
Yeah,
I don't know
the
what that-
diesel tank is right there
What's that for?
for the heater.
Heater. He has a separate heater that doesn't use the engine.
If I'm not mistaken, original on these, they're water heated,
Mm-hmm.
so with the engine.
Yeah. But they changed the system.
Yeah, if there's a fuel tank like that, that
Yeah.
means it's been replaced.
Yeah, you gotta show me how it operates so I can check the other ones,
Yeah.
make sure like the AC is not as important
Yeah.
where these things are going. Like the other one, I'm pretty sure the AC doesn't work on it.
Oh, okay.
But
Well,
it's not that important because where you're going, but the heater, you need to make sure it does for sure.
absolutely. That'll be your swing alarm.
Not the big one, the little one.
The little one?
Yeah, I don't know. That's just a sensor, I guess. It's not anything.
No,
it's not an
that's
input.
another.
Alarm or something?
Yeah, it's gonna be another alarm.
Okay.
Which one exactly I couldn't say.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be another alarm there. Probably for
This is
your,
just, this is the counter room for it.
Yeah.
And where do you go to, where is the plug that you control putting it down?
this one you don't.
This one doesn't have extra
No,
counterweight.
It don't even have the remote.
One less wires to it.
Yeah.
Perfect, I love that. Should make the 90s like that too, not removable.
Oh, jeez, eh? It would be too simple.
That's what we're having issues right now, they're removing.
Oh yeah, eh? Yeah. So, okay. So I guess what we can do now, we'll do the I'll figure the beams there for the half.
Yeah, I want to see. I want to see it how it latches on.
Yeah, let's do that.
The undercarriage and everything. should be
Sounds good.
taken care of. So this is for your heater.
That's the heater?
That's the heater here. So you kind of
And then you set it at whatever you want.
pretty much.
Alright.
And
Simple.
that's it. Simple as that.
And that fuel is diesel? You just
Yeah.
put Diesel? Okay.
That's diesel.
And what's the? How long will it actually last?
Like on a
On a
tank.
tank? Do you have an idea? No idea. Until you run out, then you
I mean,
start
it
freezing.
depends how hot you
Yeah,
make
pretty much.
I mean, it depends how hot you make the cab and
I
how
guess,
cold is
yeah.
outside.
Yeah,
It's-
yeah.
Okay.
There's
How
there's
hard
all
it
those
has to run.
factors, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Usually that's what the guys do.
Sounds good.
For your fan, say for your AC, the fan is out front here with everything, and your control, everything is here.
Okay.
All
Right in front of it.
So this one here, this for the AC. This one you just shut it off. Technically, like up like that, that's for your heat.
Okay.
But since everything's off, it's cancelled.
Yeah.
You
Exactly.
really need it. Then this here, the next one, the button. This is for the speed fan,
Okay, the speed of it, yeah.
and then your thermostat right here.
I guess that thermostat is only for your AC.
Yeah.
That's the heater is separate. So
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So so we'll give it a shot with the outrigger. It's your remote for the outriggers. So you get your extend and your retract, and as you can see, left, right, front of the machine. Front of the machine is going to be this. The engine's always in the back, right?
Okay.
So you can pretty much see with the drawing there. This is for the beams. This is the jacks. Same thing down here. They're not switched, so the beam's always up on top, and the jack's always at the bottom of the switch. It's always the
So you
same.
hold this to see which one, and then you press that. It's
Exactly.
like a two-switch
Yeah.
operation.
Correct. So something like this. Right with the beam out, and trying to throw grease up on top.
Where it slides.
Yeah. So like I said, these
hard, guys.
are a little tricky. There's a lot going on in there, but if you can, it'll help. Because sometimes what happens with the rust and the dust and everything, the beam's gonna have a hard time going in or out. Or if there's a lot of crap in there, the cold, humidity that gets backed up, sometimes the beam gets frozen in there.
So grease will definitely help.
Yeah. It's maybe like thick grease or straight on grease. Like I said, in there it's.
I think spray on grease would be better for us.
Yeah.
If you're spraying it, just spray from the back. And I will probably grease it, but the guys, if they want like a maintenance schedule, they can just spray it quickly a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice and easy. Yeah.
So that's that. Then here for the lock. Right. So like this here, it's the full spam. Then you kind of lock it here for the mid. I'll show you.
But they don't have to they don't have to bring it
No.
a quarter away. They
No.
can bring it as much as you want.
Exactly.
This is just to make sure you're halfway. There you go. That's a halfway.
That's halfway.
Get your
Makes
mid
sense.
span like that. You know you're exactly where you're supposed to be.
yeah. Makes sense. There's only one notch throughout this, right? There's only one notch that you lock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just a half or a full. Or you can stay wherever you want.
That's that.
That's the notch that is locked.
Yeah. That's the notch where it locks.
All right. So over here, down here, you got your throttle. This is your brake on your wheels. This is the telescope in and out, in.
When you say
the boom,
telescope,
the boom,
The boom.
the
out.
boom.
boom's
Yeah.
extending and
Correct.
retracting. Okay.
Okay.
Correct. This one here is for your swing brake.
Okay, so it's
So when you turn the upper, this will lock it in place.
Okay.
So it'll be a brake. If you let go, it will be free, so it'll turn on its own, and you kind of hold it.
so if you
there.
have something like a weight like pulling you or something, you want to keep it here, you can just hold that and it won't turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
This way you don't. This is the switch for it.
Okay.
This switch right here. This is your brake swing,
'Kay.
basically. So whenever you stop the machine or you put this switch on, it'll lock it in place as is. If the machine is running and this switch is like this, it'll be free. So if the crane's not properly level or there's a good breeze out here,
It'll just turn.
it'll turn on its own.
I see.
Right.
Yeah. So you.
So
you
that's
gotta
a
hold
very
that.
important.
You gotta hold that if you're running the
So,
machine.
Yeah.
If you're holding a weight or whatnot, then you guys just gonna hold the brake like this, and if you're on standby or whatnot, you flip the switch.
So you don't have to keep your foot on the pedal.
It's like when you're driving, that's your brake. When you're operating, that's your brake.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Operation side, driving side.
Exactly.
Makes sense. Okay, cool.
Your parking
What
brake.
is this one there? Besides that?
This for your boom. I'll show you after.
Okay.
Try it out.
Okay.
This switch here is for your parking brake. This switch right here, this is for your steering.
Yeah,
So
you choose how you want it to work.
fairly.
So you can have it just the front wheels turning,
Yeah.
or you can have the four wheels turning towards each other, or they can have the four wheels turning against each other, or
Yeah.
you can have the back wheels just turning.
So like the
E-
crab
either
crawl
one of-
Okay.
and all
Yeah.
that.
Do either
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
of them.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is your transmission shifter.
Okay, so
One,
that's
two,
3
three.
gears. Okay.
Correct. For reverse.
So when you put it on 3, it's an automatic 3. It just shifts on its own, or you
No.
have to shift it.
No, you have to shift it.
Okay, so you go 1, then
So
you
if
go
you
3.
keep it on 3, it'll be on 3.
Okay, so it starts at 3. You don't want to
Yeah.
do that. Okay, that's
No,
crazy. Okay,
so
you won't go anywhere.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's not. It's not.
Meant to do
Okay, so it's almost like the Zoom booms. Zoom
Yeah.
booms, the transmission works that way too.
Exactly.
I
One,
don't know.
two, three.
that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
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 If you say so. Okay.
Exactly. You have your horns here. This one has nothing. This is your 4x4.
Okay. So over here, your 4x4. Over here, your 2-wheel.
Would presume so. We'll jack it up and
Yeah,
We'll
check.
try it.
later.
We'll check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you get your batteries, and this is engine temperature.
Okay.
Sorry, transmission temperature right here. RPM, water temp, your fuel, and your hydraulic oil.
Okay.
Light switches over here.
Viper. That's Viper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wiper, if you push on it, you get your push on. Supposed to.
Turn.
Well,
Yeah,
turn
yeah.
it
And then
will be
push.
this, But
Oh, maybe not.
supposed to probably.
You have to pull.
No, usually you push it. Same thing with your window here. This one's not working too well.
You don't have to have the truck running.
No, have the key open. Yeah, just it's not working.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, there you go.
That would help.
There we go.
That would help.
You're back alive. Hey. I wonder why.
Other than that, another horn switch right here.
Okay.
This switch here is gonna be for your thumper, they call it. So in the arms, there's a ticking noise once you winch down. So it'll indicate the drum in the back being turned.
Okay.
So once you push or pull, whichever, the drum in the back, once it starts turning, this will go tick 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 tick.
Okay.
You will kind of feel it in here.
Okay.
Okay, it's just for you to hear the
Yeah,
thing
Because
off.
sometimes when you're far out and you want to go very, very slowly.
Oh, okay. There's a noise reference for you to see how far you're going. You
Exactly.
kind of get an idea. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
That's
you
that's
feel it
when
in your
that's
hand.
when you're
Yeah.
actually
when
going
you're
blind.
doing-
You're going blind.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
But you also have an idea how far is each click.
Yes.
Like how far you're going
So
down
what's-
over each click. You
So
kinda-
what each click?
I don't think.
Oh, they're all
You
different.
kind of.
Okay.
You're
Yeah.
gonna get used
You're gonna
to it.
have to-
It's experience.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
you just go slowly because
experience.
sometimes you want to go like a quarter, like half an inch.
Yeah.
But you're not gonna from here. You're not gonna see anything. But this will tell you that you moved a little bit.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. And the
So-
faster it clicks,
Yeah.
that's probably the faster you're going down.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you hold it all the way, it won't. It's going too fast for it to work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that turns it on and off.
Yeah. So it turns off is like this.
Okay.
These are your switches for your winches.
Okay.
So you got 2 speeds, and then all the way it's turned off.
Okay.
So even if you try to operate
It won't
the
work.
winch, it won't work.
Yeah. So why do you have two? There's 2 winches in the back there.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you have them operating at 2 different
Yeah, yeah.
speed though?
Yeah.
Oh, because one of them operates one, and the other one the other
Correct.
one. Is that how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Correct.
I see.
So and they're labeled here.
Okay.
Which one is
Yeah.
which? Right.
I thought that's just dirt.
No, that's actual.
I thought it was like a
Yeah.
marker,
Yeah. It's actual symbols.
a sharpie.
It's good that you said that.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
You get your bubble level here.
Yep.
For once you wanna level up the crane.
Yeah.
There's a fan here.
Pretty simple actually. Once somebody told us, it's not that bad.
No. Other than that, you get your load charges right here. So you get a chart on tires, and this crane has 2 different booms setting. So mode A, as you can see, it's just one section
Mhm.
going out, and mode B
And
is
all
going to
the
be
way.
all of them.
Yeah.
Alright. So you get your chart on tires. There's the fully retracted.
That's the one that we were talking about, right? Like how far
Yeah.
you're going, that you gotta pay through your load setting.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's
So,
the chart you want to.
but then again, you depending on which mode.
you gotta see which booms you have open, and then you basically go how far you have these open and what
Mhm.
angle you're in. It tells you your max.
Correct. Exactly. And
Yeah.
it's all same thing there. There's your mode
Yeah.
A. Then this is with the jib. You guys don't have the jib on there.
Yeah, but,
But
90s have them
right.
Yeah, the
It would
90s
be
have
if you need this.
extra long. Yeah.
Everything is there, right?
'Kay.
So
There's some more keys in here. You want to go over those? So like that.
Oh,
that,
yes.
that, and then that,
yeah,
and this whole screen of what.
Yeah. We'll go through everything. If you see something I missed,
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
know,
I'm definitely gonna mention.
don't be shy. So this switch here,
Okay.
this will kind of cancel
All of it.
all of the joysticks and everything.
Okay. Master
Um,
switch.
Same thing as if you lift this arm,
I see.
it'll cancel these as a
Okay.
safety, just like
Yeah.
excavator, right?
Yep.
Or a dozer has that too.
Yep.
Yep.
This one here is gonna be for your hydraulic lock. Don't really.
To do.
It'll lock out the hydraulic functions.
Okay.
You don't really
But
need to use
Yeah,
that.
that's-
doesn't make any sense. I
That's
mean,
basically an
special
obsolete
function.
one. Yeah.
And it's kind of the same here.
'Kay.
Those 2 switches you don't really need it. Even this one.
Yeah, you just lift up the handle because you're trying to get out.
Yeah,
right? So,
exactly.
'Kay. Functionality.
So that's this. This is for your.
You said you'll tell me
boom,
that. You
But
wanna talk about
yeah,
the screen
once the screen here.
So now,
This
is it
takes-
telling us to just wait
Yeah.
before we start?
Yeah,
Okay.
all these they need a couple minutes or couple seconds to kind of boot up.
Okay.
Right, it'll check everything,
Yep.
make sure everything is all good. Now this one, your 4-way is gonna be right. Is it here? Yeah, right here under the
Okay.
under the
It's under
shifter.
steering.
Okay.
Right, so now you see the screen. It's all set up for being full beam, full span, mode B. Now you get choose your winches, right? Your pick point from the boom or from the roaster sheave.
Okay.
All right, so let's say you press on here. Right, then it'll change your pick point.
Okay.
All right. Now, if you see up there where the
There's a little.
where the ball is, right, is going to be where your roaster sheave is. That's what this one's called.
Okay.
Okay. And onto this one, that's not what I want to do. On this one, your rigging, you can only go up to 2 parts. It'll only allow you to do 2 parts on this one.
When you say 2 parts, you mean like two extents?
How your rigging is,
Okay.
right? So the ball is 1 part.
Yeah.
And the block there, as you can see, there's it's going around 4 times.
Yeah.
So it'll be 4 parts.
Okay.
And this will increase your lifting capacity.
Okay.
And if you look in here, usually, not all of them, usually it says at the very beginning, so here let's see, warrior rope layer. So for 1 part, you'll be able to lift 17,000, a little over 17,000 pounds.
Okay.
Now, to this one, the other one is going to be 4 parts.
How's
Gonna
that
be-
a 4 part? How do you see 4? I see 2.
It's because it's wrapping 4 times.
Yeah, because one goes down, 2 is going back up.
Oh, you count every up and
Yeah.
down
That's
as
right.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it's like 1,
Oh no,
2.
1 is just 1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I see,
so
I see, I
1
see, I see.
down, 2
Okay,
up.
we need to like. Okay, that's
Right.
good. Okay, I need to know that. Okay. So this is a 4.
So yeah, see, I told you this one, but that's not right. I'm mistaken. It's this here.
The
your
rope,
your,
one rope capacity.
capacity.
Sure.
So 1 line. So I'm guessing that one that's on here is going to be the type RB for 12,000. Usually it'll say it over here, up on top here, 12.9.
Okay, yeah,
Times
yeah, yeah.
1,000.
Even gives it to you here.
Exactly. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So you don't
So
even.
it'll give you. This is your capacity.
Yeah.
12.9, and it should tell you over here your 2.8. This is what's
It
the
gives
actual.
you the amount.
That's what's actually
So
on
there's
there.
no way for you to overload it.
No.
It tells you how much, and it
Yeah.
tells you how much is on it then.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And
Perfect.
those green lights there. This is your.
Give you an animation of what is happening.
Yeah. Exactly.
Like if you
So-
go overload, you'll go all the way here.
Exactly.
Okay.
And that alarm will probably start screaming though.
Oh yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then how do you go from this to like let's say to the other 4-layer winch in here?
So then you'll go. See, this here's your 2 winches.
Yeah.
So you'll press on here.
Okay.
Right. The screen. Those buttons are a little
Yeah,
old.
Yeah. Press
you-
harder.
Yeah. Right. So then you change the winch.
And you just change
And
it
then-
to 4.
Exactly. So you'll go here. 3.
And this keeps going down because your capacity is going
Exactly.
up.
So 4 parts.
Anytime.
51.6.
So you went to the single one? Is that what you're doing right now?
No,
Or
He
you
was
went-
on the single
Okay.
one,
Yeah.
and he went on the 4. But when you choose the 4, then you have to choose your layers because it gives you 1 layer.
Yeah.
You know it's 4, you change it to 4. And then on top of the screen, it tells you, okay, with 4, this is your max. And
Yeah.
then at the bottom, it tells you what you're at.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's
Okay.
perfect. Like, yeah. It's sick.
So this is if something were to happen, right?
And
you
this
need-
is like, sorry, and
Yeah.
then this is if the boom is that long, so you can change how long your boom is too.
Yeah.
And then it will change the setting for you, like your
Yeah.
weight capacity and everything.
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
it'll do everything on its own.
Okay, so that thing is full smart.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So if something were to happen, whichever, you gotta change the cable.
Yeah.
So this here is gonna be your cable type and all
Okay.
the
High strength. Yeah. Makes sense.
everything there. So when you
Your
ordered
spec.
it, yeah, exactly.
Your
All your
spec.
spec is all on here.
But it doesn't tell you the length you need, does it?
No,
your,
it won't.
your friend there, Patrick was telling me that you guys have him pre-cut to length, like ready
Yeah,
to go.
yeah.
if you need it.
It'll probably be more in the service manual
Yeah,
or
yeah.
the maintenance
Okay.
operator manual on these.
Mhm.
They have a section for this. So here, that's pretty much it. Then we have a gross chart of the
Yeah,
The
that's-
angles.
Yeah,
angles
that takes a
and
couple of
everything,
hours to understand.
yeah.
It's pretty confusing there.
So okay, so that's that. Now, if you want to change the settings in here,
Yeah.
right? You're gonna go into your crane setup.
Oops, that was me.
Okay. Your crane setup here. Now you can choose whether full span, mid, fully retracted.
Oh wow. Okay, you can even
This will be stationary on rubber.
do these.
This will be your pick and carry.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Creep. Yeah.
Exactly. If you do more, give you. So same thing here. This one here, that bottom one, this will be your rigging.
Yeah.
So let's say you gotta put the jib on or whatever. You put this on, and what this will allow you to do, there will be no safety.
Okay.
Right, so the crane will be fully open. So, which means that usually the guys are gonna put this, like I said, to put the jib on or to travel on.
If you're gonna drive it.
If you're gonna drive it on to transport.
Yeah, to a
on-
job
on,
site or somewhere. You're not
right.
trying to actually lift anything. With
Yeah,
it. Everything's
exactly.
closed up. You're trying to
Exactly.
drive.
Because sometimes the boom, the angle of the boom is so low that the tube lock is gonna keep you. It's gonna lock you everything.
Okay.
So you put this on, and then you don't have to worry about anything.
I
Pressing
see.
the
That's your
bypass. and-
basically travel mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Travel mode, yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right.
But when you do that, is the boom like? You remember you said like if you don't hold this, then it will be free.
It'll be the same. If this switch is on, it'll be locked.
Okay. So you can operate that without worrying.
Yeah.
Because he said it frees everything up. I'm like,
Oh,
then
okay.
you're
No.
going around and
That's
everything.
that's the only thing.
Okay, so it will lock your
this
hydraulic.
brake, yeah, if this brake is on,
Your hydraulic.
you'll be good,
your
right?
lock. Okay.
Now with this over here,
Mhm.
this lever here, this is your lock.
Which locks the
The whole
Yeah.
turntable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've seen the big pin in the
Whether,
back. Yeah,
Uh,
there's a big pin in the back. So if you're transporting, you
Usually-
should probably put that down.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is your travel
it's a
travel
transport
pin
pin, yeah,
lock. Some of them they have it only for facing out front, and the other one, this one I'm not
Yeah.
sure, but you have it out front or out in the back,
Okay.
depending. You can
Which way you want
exactly.
it. Yeah. You can only lock it towards the front or back. I think the
Yeah.
90s only have it to the front.
It
They
could
can only
be,
lock it to the front. I was looking at. There's only one hole on the hole.
Okay,
the
there
back.
you go. But yeah, some
if
some
there's
of them
two,
they
then
have
two.
two.
Yeah.
Sometimes depends on the machine.
Yeah. We'll double check that.
So okay, so then we'll go here on full span. Then here you have your two modes.
Would you go on the full span again? Would you press?
It'll allow me to go back. Okay.
Okay.
So your full span is the top one, right? Because you
Mhm.
see the
Yeah. Which one is highlighted?
exactly. So you'll press on this one. Then your two modes.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll choose mode B. And this is if you have the attachment or not.
which we don't.
We do.
Oh, we do have the
We
attachment.
do. That's why
Okay.
the ball is on
Okay.
there, right?
Okay.
This is your fly, so you don't even have it on the machine. So
Mhm.
you're not gonna. It's not. You can't even pick it up. So there's no fly. Now, this will pretty much be your pick point, whether auxiliary or boom. and this is your jib here. But then again, since you don't have it
On this machine,
on
we don't
this
have it.
machine, so we'll kind of take it out,
Yeah.
and this is pretty much it.
And you're good to go.
Ready to go.
Pretty easy.
Other than
Pretty
that-
simple system actually for what it is.
Yeah.
It's easy to work with.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And where is the fuse box on this?
Right there.
Okay.
Now that one controls everything.
All the fuses are here basically?
Yeah.
Like there's no fuses for anything down there.
Well, they're all up here.
Everything's up here.
Everything's up here.
Okay.
If there's probably more on the engine, it's probably just for
It's
the
part
engine.
of the circuit and
But
stuff like that.
I've
yeah.
never seen. They're all.
They're all in here.
Everything is over there.
'Kay.
There's nothing, and everything is all labeled.
So
up,
every
but-
wire ends up in here somehow.
Oh yeah.
Just how is the real question.
Yeah. There you go.
A big giant harness.
Yeah.
Pick and choose.
Yeah, it's just a routing, right?
Just-
like it
yeah.
can come straight or it can
Yeah.
do like 4 turns around the grain before it makes it up.
A big bird's nest.
Yeah. So,
All right, so I guess that sums it up for this.
so and then these handles, they do the same thing basically, both sides.
Well, it shows you.
Oh, okay.
So you'll have your winch up and down.
Yeah.
Up and down. And again, this is the drawing. It's not a
Oh, beautiful.
marker.
Look at that.
I know. You think it's like you think this machine is full of dirt marks, and then you're like, oh no, it's all symbols.
And your swing left and right.
Yeah.
On this side, again, winch up and down, marked up.
Okay.
And this will be your boom up and your boom down.
Okay, so you don't even have to select which winch you want to use. You can just it's both
You-
ready
they're
to go
all-
anytime.
They're all in
Okay.
here. You pretty much just gotta cancel it. Let's say if you don't have the 2 winches out.
Yeah, if you're using one winch, well, whichever winch
Well-
you decide to use, you can cancel the other one out.
Yeah.
Depends, because right now they're both out. So
Okay.
you have to have them out,
Okay.
because once you're gonna put the boom out, you're gonna need to winch down,
Okay.
right? So it's pretty
What
much
do you mean
when
they're both out. When you say they're both out, you keep saying
you extend the boom. Here, I'll show you.
oh yeah, when you extend it, you have to extend with it.
Yeah.
So if you turn that off, they'll walk up.
Yeah, it won't allow you here. Let's say, here I'll lock this one up, right? So it's not working. I'll scope it out. Right? So you scope it out like this. Your cable's gonna go up.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get
Right?
short.
But you gotta winch out, you gotta winch down,
And you can't.
as you scope it out, no, this
And you can't do it.
Exactly.
You're
That's
stuck.
why if those 2 are on, if the block and the ball is out up there,
Yeah.
then these has to be on.
Yeah.
It's when, let's say you're gonna put the block, you're gonna take it off,
Yeah.
because you don't need it or whatever.
Yeah.
Now the cable's gonna be reeled up in the back. Now you close it.
So you don't accidentally operate it.
Exactly.
I see. Okay.
Exactly. Because
Yeah.
what that'll do
They
then.
both need to
it'll-
be basically for us. They need to be operational all the time because if you're changing the boom, if you're doing anything, they need to be working.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't turn them off. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
And this way, it's a good thing to save up on a cable too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've seen sometimes
Just snaps
it'll make loose in there, and it'll get tangled up.
Yeah.
And
You're done.
sometimes if they're too tangled, you gotta cut them. You're scrapped, and it's another couple grand just to change that.
Yeah.
And up there, it's double the price.
Yeah. I can imagine.
Right.
Yeah.
So. Whoa.
How far do you want to go up? your choice or no?
Ideally, tires should be off the ground.
Tires off.
Because technically, the tires are part of the load charge.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if your tires are on the ground,
Load goes through them.
yeah, well, you're not
Basically,
gonna
you
have.
wanna
Let's
take
say
it
the tires is 2,000 pounds for the
Yeah.
tire. If the tire's on the ground, well, it's gonna be 1,500 pounds per tire
I
off.
see.
Less.
It's part of the counterweight. So,
Exactly.
yeah, you want everything on the machine. Makes
Exactly.
sense.
Sometimes it's not always doable
Yeah,
with the
as much
terrain
as
the way,
possible.
right? But if you can have them up, it should be up.
Yeah.
Any questions so far?
Besides that,
Everything looks okay. Fairly simple.
Oh yeah. Until it breaks down.
Yeah.
It's not so simple.
So
What's this axis hold? Is this just to get to the bottom of the crane or something?
storage.
Storage?
Yeah. So if you can kind of open it, it should be empty in there. It's more
Or
storage.
full of snap-on tools?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much empty.
Usually these storage, the guys are gonna put chains.
Chain, hydraulic oil, extra oil.
Yeah, extra oil, or sometimes the ball, or
Yeah,
the block
whatever
if
you
it
wanna put
fits,
in there,
That's a storage thing, so whatever fits in there, the guys are gonna put
Yeah.
whatever.
It's like a Tesla truck.
Yeah, exactly.
The trunk is at the front, the engine's in the back.
Yeah,
You're buying a big ass Tesla.
exactly. So, this switch, yes. So, pretty much what it does,
Oh yeah, this.
there's an up and a down,
Yeah.
okay, and let me, fix it out here. So you have your two modes, right? A and B.
Yeah. With the boom you're talking
Yeah.
about. Yeah, yeah.
So as you can see here, there's your mode A
I see.
and mode B.
You choose which boom you want to extend.
No, you choose with the screen.
Right.
But what this switch will allow you to do is to move one at a time.
I see. Yeah, yeah.
All right. So right now we're in mode B.
Yeah.
Right. So if I scope it out,
It moves slow.
so right now if I scope it out, you'll see all three sections are going out, right?
All at the same time. Yeah.
At the same time. This
Yeah.
is mode B.
Yeah, yeah.
If I press on here for mode A, I gotta hold it. And now just the first one from mode A will come out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And now if I let go, they're all gonna come out at the same time.
Let's see.
And
Does that make a difference in your load capacity?
yes.
Which one you extend?
Yes and no.
Okay.
Yes and no. But
Just the extra functionality there.
yeah, but
So
ideally,
you have
that's-
here, and then what's this one?
that's the same thing. So if we're to put this one on mode A,
Okay.
right, which mode A is going to be just the first one taking everything out,
Okay.
right? Now if you press this, as you take the boom out, now it'll take all three at the same time.
Oh, okay. This is the reverse.
Exactly.
Okay, I see.
Exactly. But this, you're not going to use it when you get the boom out. It'll be more when you take it back in.
Yeah. Which one you want to take back in?
Because the way it is there's two cylinders in there.
Yeah.
All right, and they're not attached to one another. So when you take it in or you want to take it out, right? I don't know if it's gonna show it over here. So once you're fully closed, right, if you look at this here. Once you're fully closed, whether it's on mode A or mode B, doesn't matter. You're supposed to have 38 feet, correct? But right now we're at 40.2. Okay, and if you want to go back in, you're all the way in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use this switch. Now it's
Because the other one is bottomed out, doesn't let the other one go all the way in. So you choose the other one to make it go back in.
Exactly.
It's good. It's useful more for pulling it back in than pushing it out.
In or out,
Yeah.
right? Because even if they're out on mode, when you're out, when you scope
Because
it
if
out,
you do it automatically, like let it go out, it will all go automatic to full, and then it will all come back to full close. But if you use any of these, you're making it unequal. So you need.
but
to,
even then, let's say you're gonna go on mode A on mode B, like as it is right now.
Yeah.
Because they don't work together, there's gonna be a couple inches
Yeah.
here and there that's not gonna be fully used.
Yeah.
So you end up using the switch once you fully scope it in,
Yeah.
and once you fully scope it out.
Yeah.
Other than that, you don't need the
You
switch.
don't need it. Yeah.
That's all. That's what it's
I
used
see.
for.
Yeah.
So,
So essentially, if you go on the automatic mode and you fully extend your boom, you might not get the full extent
correct.
because they don't work at the same time or equal to each
Exactly.
other.
You'll probably
You
have
don't need to use that.
a foot or two missing
two
from
left.
one of the two cylinders.
I see. Yeah.
Right. So
That's
you
good
just
to
when
know.
you want to go fully out and use that.
Yeah, you're not all the way full. You got a
Exactly.
little left still.
Exactly.
Okay. Good to know.
So yeah. So see, once this switch is on,
It won't let you turn.
and same thing here with this switch.
Yeah. Yeah, that switch is so important. If
Yeah.
somebody's crawling up to talk to you or something, you should probably put that thing up before you knock them over.
Yeah, this and go like that.
Or just hold the brake, do something. Hold it together.
If you leave the switch on like this, even if you put the armrest
Still
up,
locks it.
it'll lock it
Yeah,
on its
yeah,
own. Everything's good, no questions. You guys want to try it out at all?
Yeah, you go first. Yeah, man. Of course.
Don't kill us.
Okay. What do I do? What do I start with? Put the arm back down.
Okay.
Now you're fully ready to operate.
Okay.
So now this is your swing left and right.
Yeah.
Your winch up and down. This is rigged on the ball. All right. The other on the right side, front and back. This is your other winch.
Okay.
Left and right will be your boom up and your boom down.
How do I know if it's going out? Okay, that's the boom down.
Yeah.
That's boom up. And the extend?
It's gonna be your pedal right there. If you push it, exactly. Hold it all the way. Yeah.
That would be extending it out, right?
Yep.
And then for that winch to come back down to give me more boom,
Yeah,
the more extend,
you can do all at the same time.
all at the same time, and then just do this one,
Push it.
push it.
There we go. And for the winches, you do kind of both at the same time as you extend the boom.
For that winch to come back down,
You press the other one.
it would be this one.
Yeah, push it down.
Yeah. Okay.
And because it's 4 parts right now, it'll just be slower than the other one.
Okay. It'll take some time to get used to.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah.
It's a learning curve.
Oh yeah.
You gotta play around with it until you get it.
Exactly.
It's experience.
Not bad.
So then I should park this, right? So it doesn't swing back. No, or
Or
Now
just
it's on
lift the
hard.
handle up,
Now it's
lift
on
the whole
hard.
thing up.
Park right now.
That's it, and you'll be parked basically.
It'll take some time to play around with.
Oh yeah, for
Now the one that we have at the shop is a 90.
Yeah,
Are the controls similar or totally different?
exactly the same thing.
Same thing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You look at, you get into this cab, and you get into this cab right now. If you want, we can even go. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, let's go have a look at this one.
Yeah. Yeah, because if it's the same thing, then
I mean,
the one that's at the shop right now, we can test that one out
Yeah.
too, and just go.
The only thing, because it's a different boom and everything, so these kind of control the computer is going to be different.
Okay.
But
Hello.
the controls itself to operate the
Yeah.
crane,
The
is gonna
computer
be,
part is a little bit different to set it all up and all
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
I think this is one of ours too, no?
Yeah, there's two more that are here. I think that are ours. Pretty cool machine.
That was good.
It's a pretty
That's
cool.
a good. I feel useful right now.
It's pretty
They
cool
made
machine.
a good fucking training video, bro. I'm serious.
Yeah.
How much should just like fucking play
It's
that
still
on the
going.
biggest screen for everybody? Are you serious?
Yeah, it's still going.
Why?
It's like 30 minutes of it.
Yeah, but you don't need people listening to us on this. Stop it and then keep going.